So in this video, we're going to be discussing the Apple CarPlay Weather App, if there is one, and what you can do to see the weather while you're using CarPlay. So the short answer is there's no official weather app in CarPlay. It's not like the one on your iPhone where you can see weather. There's a few reasons for this. Either they haven't got around to it, or generally for CarPlay they don't like you using the screen. Obviously it's a safety mechanism for your car. You've got navigation and music and things like this, but you can't watch things like videos and things like that. However, there are a few workarounds. So obviously one of the things you can do is say to Siri and ask Siri while you're driving. So let's test it out. Hey Siri, what's the weather like in London?
It's currently partly cloudy and 20 degrees in London. Expect cloudy skies starting tonight. Today's high will be 23 and the low will be 15 degrees.
Well, there you go. It's not too bad, and it tells you all you want to know. You can ask it your current location, or you can also ask it where you're going, anything like that. And Siri is pretty useful for that. However, if you want something a bit better, there's one of my favorite weather apps for CarPlay, which is On the Way. So from here, you can choose your location like so. And as that loads, it's gonna, as the name suggests, show the weather on the way. And what it'll do is show the weather. This is going to be especially good for longer drives. Maybe you can take a different route if the weather's better that way. On this instance, it doesn't really matter too much if it's a few hours. But yeah, it's a cool app, and it's interesting to use to see the weather while you're driving. But yeah, those are the two main options for CarPlay. It's not too complicated. You can either ask Siri or use an app like this. Either way, it should get the job done for you. If you want to read any more information, you can view the full article on the website that discusses this, and you can see the links to this app as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.